Hi, welcome to Drive with Care. Another Friday drive. Because you saw the last video, you knew I went down to Harbour Arm. So I'm going to head home, and I think the best thing to do is leave Cheriton and go via Elham. So we'll do a Cheriton to Elham drive. Bit of high street of Cheriton, bit of urban driving. So we enter into this really weird grid box thing that has got no entries and one-way systems. You can have a car coming up, down, and from where I've just left, all going that way. But you can drive all the way down, but you can't go all the way up. It's a weird one. See my son's video for that. He starts his video. I'll put a link up here. Anyway, so relatively quick journey. We'll just go up Cheriton High Street, over the motorway, and then jump on the road that goes to Elham. I don't know what road it is. It's the old Canterbury Road, isn't it? This road has humps. Sorrendon Road, I think it's called. See, told you. Proper junction on a high street, or is it on an high street? No, it's on a high street. Things to look out for: cars coming out of car park spaces, doors opening, passengers, pedestrians walking all over the place. Yeah, just keep your wits about you on a high street. It's too wide to pedestrianise this, and it's too much of a through road to be pedestrianised, if that makes sense. Whereas you get some high streets that are all pedestrianised, aren't they? School of Driving turning left. It is a 30-mile-an-hour high street. I've got a big old Rolls Royce behind me. Who's driving a Rolls Royce in Cheriton? Someone won the lottery. What's that old thing? If I won the lottery, I wouldn't tell anyone, but there would be signs. I could do Drive with Care in a Rolls Royce. I'd never buy a Rolls Royce. Lots of traffic here. Car at junction. Will they wait? Car reversing out of car park space. And now I have to give way. You'd think they'd reverse in, wouldn't you? That's the thing to do. Don't reverse out onto a main road. I've got a smudge on my window and it's on the outside, and that's because I was parked outside my son's house to start this video, because I was dropping his sunnies off. From our trip to France that we did together, I still had his sunnies in the glove box, so I dropped them off, but I was setting up all the gear, and I looked to my right and his face was pressed right on the window. So I can see he's got left a smudge mark on my window, and I can't rub it off. And now my OCD's going, oh. I must let it go because I'm driving. Cars to my right. Clear to my right. Jump on the A20. into a 40 zone. It's lovely and sunny now, but we've had splatterings of rain, and I was meeting up with Martin at the Harbour Arm. Had a little bit of a stroll, had a coffee together. A really pleasant morning, talking about photography and gear and all of that kind of stuff. I didn't think about vlogging it at all. We have vlogged in the past, but we've made plans. I'm going to go up to his place in October because he volunteers at a nature reserve, if you've ever watched any of his videos. And we've decided we're going to do a vlog where he shows me the nature reserve and I'll take my camera. We'll do some nature photography. Could be good. Always looking for new avenues to do my vlogging. Entering a national speed limit zone. Car coming up on my right. Motorcyclist, they are waiting. Indicate off. So a national speed limit, but there are blind bends, so I'm not going to go too crazy. Bend in the road. Wow, despite the rain, the roads dried up really well. And I'm going with the sun kind of behind me, so it makes for a really clear video journey. Very nice. Bends in the road, but the sign was obscured. It begs the question, how important is the sign if the council or the Highways Commission don't come and clear the overgrown bushes from it? Car beeped. I've got 50 miles left in the tank, so it's going to be beeping for the rest of the journey. In the road, chicanes. I wonder if they're there because a car has gone over in the past. Does make you wonder. Into Etching Hill. A 30 zone. It's a quaint little place. Cream teas. The Gatekeeper. Is that a pub or is that a coffee shop, tea room? It's got to be a pub, hasn't it? But they do cream teas. Bends in the road. And a national speed limit zone. Oncoming traffic, I think. No, I thought I saw oncoming traffic. Golfers are out. Getting in the last throws. I suppose golf is all seasons, isn't it? I suddenly thought that they're getting the last throws of summer in before the 21st of September. I think we're about the 8th of September now. I don't have my watch on, and so I'm trying to remember what day it is. Might be the 9th of September today. But yeah, I was 21st September is autumn, isn't it? Ready for my favourite season of the year. Nights are drawing in. Light a few candles in the evenings, get some subtle lighting in the living room. Just makes it all cosy and lovely. Into a 30 zone. And into Lyminge. Having to straddle the white line because of the parked cars. Cars parked on the right, no oncoming traffic. Junction on the left. XC60, I miss mine. I don't mind this car, but I miss my XC60 too. I suppose there'll be a time when I won't, but I actually miss some of my previous cars that I owned. Do you ever get that? Sometimes you own a car and it's, you know, a car isn't for life. But some are wonderful and a pleasure to drive, while others you kind of think, I'm glad I got a shot at that one. Right, out of Lyminge, we've got Ottinge up ahead, and then we get into Elham, so not far to go now. Just conscious that I'm stuck behind this Mini Countryman, and it's driving just a little below the required speed limits, which again, if you remember my drive in Derbyshire, can be a bit frustrating because you kind of want someone to just either pull over and let you get past because you've got things to do, like create content. I'm busy here, don't you know? I'm not taking you all the way to Barham. That whole Elham Valley drive is a bit frustrating. It's a bit long. and is very bumpy. We're already getting into bumpy road territory now. Focus is turning off or turning round. Ooh, those Fiestas becoming classic cars. Talking 90s model there. H-Reg, that'll be 1990, won't it? I think G was the 89 model. So that's 25 years old. Crikey, that car. Or is it 1990? 25 is 35 years old. I wonder if it's tax exempt. Little Ford Fiesta, 1990. I was a cab driver then. Oh, blimey. Time goes too quickly, don't you think? It feels like 5 minutes ago I was in my 20s, and then 40 years later I'm 62. Yes, I'm an old geezer. But not as old as Martin, who I just met. He's 79. So he's got 17 years on me. He was 17 when I was born, 1963. Crikey. He would have been well into the Stones and the Beatles when they first came out in 63. Into a 30 zone. Slowing down because there's plenty of room. Absolutely, yes. That truck wasn't even on your side of the road. As Martin was saying in the car, I've dropped him off at the hotel he's staying at, and he's talking about some people like this, literally stopping when there's oncoming traffic. And it's like, oh no, I've got my precious car, I can't have it scratched. Yes, I know I need petroleum spirits. There are no garages here. I shall pull up by the old Bishop's fireplace. I think that's what it's called. The Abbot's fireplace. Crossroads ahead. Oh, it's turning off. Not a moment too soon, I might add. I always get that on my drives. I get stuck behind someone who I consider to be overcautious as a driver. There's nothing wrong with it, of course, it just frustrates me. I shall pull up outside the Abbot's fireside, it's called, the Abbot's fireside. Elham High Street ahead of me. You know what, I think I might have to give up this drive with care. It's beginning to frustrate me. I just want a clear, open road. I'll have to plan my journeys better. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Drive with care.